Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest product reviews.
Today, we're diving into one of the most unique and heartwarming products on the market, the hand-casting kit couples and keepsake hand-mold kit couples by Godora. This isn't just any ordinary molding kit, it's designed to create cherished keepsakes that capture the essence of special moments.
Stick around as we explore why this kit stands out as the best molding kit for adults.
Before we delve into the details, let's take a quick look at what this kit offers.
It comes with everything you need to create a beautiful hand casting, including molding powder,
Casting stone, sandpapers, cleaning tools, scraper, gloves, and of course, easy-to-follow instructions. Whether you're celebrating a wedding anniversary, a birthday, or just want to create a lasting memory with your loved ones, this kit has got you covered.
Now, let's talk about what sets this kit apart from the rest. Firstly, it's incredibly easy to use, even for beginners. The detailed instructions and video tutorials provided ensure that you'll get the perfect hand casting every time. Plus, the molding powder and casting stone are of the highest quality, ensuring precise fingerprints and capturing every precious detail.
One of the standout features of this kit is its versatility.
You can create hand castings in any combination, whether it's for couples, families, or friends.
It's a heartfelt gift that's perfect for any occasion, be it an anniversary, Valentine's Day, or even just a fun family activity. In conclusion, the hand-casting kit couples and keepsake hand-mold kit couples by Godora is truly the best molding kit for adults out there. With its ease of use, high-quality materials, and heartfelt results, it's a must-have for anyone looking to create lasting memories with their loved ones. So why wait? Get your hands on this kit today and start preserving those precious moments.
That's all for today's review, folks. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more honest product reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or suggestions for future reviews, leave them in the comments below. Until next time, happy casting!